take them and I'll message them. We'll admit them off, then we'll message.
Yes.
If they're not removing it, then we should take them out.
Yeah.
I've admitted
Hello,
everyone.
everyone. Hi, everyone. Okay, I'm going to just set up my things. So mute everyone. Okay. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Okay, great. I'm going to take the settings off where everyone can join in without being waiting. Great, we are set. Awesome. So welcome. If you are new here, welcome to whose screen I am seeing. Are you able to see my screen? Great. If you are new here, welcome to the Quantum Mechanics Healing. This session is about understanding how the quantum healing mechanics works. All of you guys here, if you have joined in for the first time, can we get everyone admitted? I am going to remove the sharing screen so that you can just join in without the waiting. I feel I've removed it. Okay, great. I am Leena Joy, a certified life coach and a Ho'oponopono healer. And today it's my privilege and honor to actually share to you the quantum healing mechanism, which I am part of it from last 2.5 years. Today, God's grace, I am the senior vice president, and I have my co-partner, Ashwini, who is a vice president. We both will be taking you through understanding how this mechanism works. What exactly is vibration? What exactly is frequency? How it can change the world out. So much we have been hearing about frequency, vibration, energy. Hai kya ye? How does it work? How does it help our life? How does the life get transformed by switching on to the right channel, to the right frequency? We are going to discuss on this today, and literally I could tell you from last 2.5 years, the life took a paradigm shift by understanding how we can align to the greater level of thoughts, how we can align to have the right emotions, to right actions, and that helps to come out of all the health challenges. I'm not joking. It's literally how it sounds so easy. It is. It's just that we need to understand some of the concepts of quantum science and quantum entanglement. All of you guys here, I would request you, if you can invite your loved ones. You have been invited by one of your loved ones. This could be a gift in 2025, what you can give them. This would be the biggest gift rather than any materialistic thing. If you can give them a good health, if you can give them a good life, if you can give them that joy, prosperity, and abundance coming their way in 2025. And I promise you, after this session, next 1.5 hours, if you are with us, stay till the end. There's a beautiful gift coming at the end, and we are going to show you how the complete aura scan is done, and you are going to get that gift as a 1-to-1 session, which we are going to set it up, post this for you absolutely free. So don't worry, there is something which we want to give away as a part of 2024 gratitude and a gift so that everyone can have the best life in 2025. So welcome once again to each and every one. If you have joined in right now, I am Leena Joy. After 18 years of as a software professional, I'm a software engineer, worked in corporate, and then got into a phase of the life where I required healing. I was seeking out to understand how I can have my best life. And that's where I encountered the life coaching methodologies and a problem solving technique where I got an expertise in, which is known as Ho'oponopono healing. Today, last 2.5 years, got introduced to quantum healing mechanics, and the session is all about understanding the quantum healing mechanics. I'm going to share my screen. Stay with me. If you have any questions while the presentation is going on, I will try my best to complete it by 40 to 45 minutes, but based on my experience, I always over deliver. So I don't know how much I can stick to the time today, but I'll try my best to complete it by 40-45 minutes. Wherever you are, make sure there is no disturbance. If you're watching Netflix, TV, this concept of quantum physics requires your focus, requires your attention. Next 1.5 hours, if you have any questions while the presentation is going on, note it down. After the presentation, we will have time to chit chat. We will discuss your questions and I will be more than happy to answer it. I will try my best to answer you and see how it goes when we are literally getting more deeper. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen. Stay with me. Once you can see my screen, let me know. So it's coming up. Guys who are just joining in, let's watch this video and we'll talk more in detail.
I called up Bill Hewlett when I was 12 years old, and he lived in Palo Alto. His number was still in the phone book. And he answered the phone himself. He said, yes? I said, hi, I'm Steve Jobs. I'm 12 years old. I'm a student in high school, and I want to build a frequency counter. And I was wondering if you had any spare parts I could have. And he laughed, and he gave me the spare parts to build this frequency counter, and he gave me a job that summer in Hewlett-Packard, working on the assembly line, putting nuts and bolts together on frequency counters. He got me a job in the place that built them. And I was in heaven.
I wanted to show you the device that really is changing all of this right now. This is the world's first artificial intelligence driven, syncs up to your smartphone.
The German-born theoretical physicist who developed the theory of relativity once said, "Everything is energy, and that's all there is to it. Match the frequency of the reality you want, and you cannot help but get that reality. It can be no other way. This is not philosophy. This is physics." Every object on Earth possesses what is called a natural frequency, which depends on its size, shape, and composition. 1-7. This explains how a singer can shatter a glass by hitting a certain note, which does not happen because the singer's voice has reached a particularly high pitch. Rather, it is a matter of attaining the natural frequency of the glass. As a result, all the energy in the sound of the singer's voice is transferred to the glass, and it shatters. The professional boxer, activist, and philanthropist nicknamed The Greatest, widely regarded as one of the most significant and celebrated sports figures of the 20th.
Welcome once again to each and every one. And today we are going to discuss a biohacking technology into the mental, emotional, physical, spiritual levels. I am not joking. Any problems which we are going through in our life, whether it is health challenge, whether it is relationship challenge, whether it is a job hunt, whether there is a disharmony in relationship, we are going to discuss how we can optimize it by just working on our energy, frequency, and vibration. Now, this is something, a technology which has come in from Germany, patented, gone across today to 57 countries. And we have seen people coming out of coma. We have seen people coming out from the wheelchair. We have seen people coming out of the divorce issues. There is, unlimited, whether it's a prosperity story, whether it is an health story, the transformation at every angle. How? It just works on quantum physics. We are talking about frequency. We are talking about vibration. I hope everyone are familiar with this word. Now, this word is like too much out on Instagram, on all the social medias. Let's understand deeply what do we mean by it And this session of next 1.5 hours, if you are with us, I promise you, you are going to go away with the highest level of frequency. And that would be the biggest gift you are going to give yourself in 2025. Myself, Lena Joy, if you have just joined, I'm a certified life coach and a Ho'oponopono healer, and today a quantum healer expert as well. Now, moving on. In society, if you see every house, whether it is my house itself, there was a period where I could see one or the other issue. You see in the society, whether it's depression, anxiety, learning and concentration, children, right now they are going through exams, how much they need that concentration issues going on. Family relationship, pain, injury, insomnia, exhaustion, stress from work, hormonal allergy issues, loss of direction, unworthiness, financial stress, job loss. If you see few of these words here, you might feel it has become a normal in our life. We feel stress is normal, and that's the kind of lifestyle which we have gone in. But actually, if you read the book, Louise Hay's book, she has beautifully explained heal your life, heal your body. Even today in allopathy, Ayurveda, any kind of therapies which you go in, alternative therapies, everywhere it has been proven that all these issues which we go in our life today is all connected to psychosomatic. That means it's all starts from a thought level. Any disharmony in our emotional body, it actually causes the health challenges to creep up in the physical body. While in our upbringing, what our teachers told us, what our parents told us, any kind of deep pain, any kind of deep insults, unpleasant environment, any kind of suppressed emotions where we are not able to express ourselves and we are suppressing it in our body for a long time, all this actually causes a energetic blockages in our body. And these energetic blockages actually creates the health challenges. Today, through quantum healing mechanism, how can we address the emotional body? How can we address the physical body energetic problems and also the spiritual body? Understand one thing. Why is it is happening that when a person is suffering with cancer, the cancer has been removed, but again after few years, it comes back. Why? Because the energetic blockages which is staying in our DNA, it's actually not removed. Only from the organ level, it has been removed. The gallbladder stones goes out and comes back. Relationship challenges goes out and comes back. Money problems goes out and comes back. Why? Because the actual root cause is lying at our emotional body. The more we harmonize the emotional body, the more we harmonize the emotions, that's where we are able to come out of any kind of challenges which we are facing. So this I am not saying. Hundreds of years back, Albert Einstein, he called it out. He's a scientist. Everything in life is vibration. What exactly he was trying to say? He was trying to say that any kind of thought level right now, if I tell you, think of a person whom you don't like, or think of a person who has literally disrespected you, or you are not comfortable in the presence of that person. What happens? The shoulders shrinks, the body becomes stiff, the emotions go down. Why exactly this happens? Because our thought level, when we are thinking something bad or something which is unpleasant, the vibration goes down. How does the vibration goes down? Whenever there is a lower level of thought, whenever we are thinking something negative or complaining, blaming, thinking something bad about somebody, then the frequencies go down, the vibration goes down. Universe, God, Supreme doesn't understand our big prayers. It doesn't understand the language of Hindi, English, Kannada. Universe understand your vibration. And what do you mean by vibration? The feelings with which you are living your life. If you're living your life thinking, affirming that I am rich, money is flowing to me, my health is absolutely healthy, I am able to reverse diabetes, but at a root level, when you are eating food, you are actually thinking, oh my God, my diabetes will shoot up. Oh my God, I don't have money for the next meal. Oh my God, how will I arrange money? What are your emotions and what are you chanting? It has to be in alignment. And that's where people go wrong. People just speak without understanding what is the feelings, what they are carrying inside. Today, why are we talking so much about energy, frequency, and vibration? Look into this video. It will tell you how it has the power to have a shift in the human health. We will talk more in detail.
One of the greatest inventors of all time, Nikola Tesla, the genius who lit the world, once said, "If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration." Say you are listening to the radio in your car and do not like the music that you are hearing. What do? You change the frequency. What many people fail to realize is that we can take charge of our frequencies in the exact same way. We tend to reduce our body's anatomy down to a simplified version that consists of only flesh and blood. But everything on this planet, animals, plants, and water, are made of atoms, which produce, emit, and receive energy, which operates at a specific frequency. Everything, all our tissues, cells, organs, emotions, and thought patterns have their own unique electromagnetic fields, as do allergens, viruses, or bacteria. All things have a frequency, including you, the human body. It has been shown that a normal person has a frequency of 62 to 72 megahertz. When the body drops below this frequency, we begin to get into illness and disease states. For example, if our frequency drops to 58 megahertz, then we are likely to get a cold or flu. If our frequency drops to 42 megahertz, we become susceptible to cancer within the body. The lower the frequency, the closer we are to death.
The lower the frequency, the closer we are to death. What exactly this video was trying to tell us? The ideal vibration of a healthy body lies between 62 to 72 megahertz. When does it drop to 58 megahertz? When there is an emotion of fear and insecurity. Any kind of fear, like right now, when I'm giving a presentation, I might feel, oh my God, my hair is not looking good. Oh my God, my tone is not very good. Will I be able to give the presentation well? And that will generate a fear inside me. The fear and insecurity could be about your bank balance, could be about the health challenges, could be about the disharmony, the lack of love in your life today. It could be any fear. The fear which you carry at your thought level in your body, it actually goes deep. And any kind of insecurities, it causes your immune system to go down. And when the immune system goes down, what happens? You easily attract all the bacteria and viruses very fast. And that's where you catch cold and cough and fever. The vibration goes down to 42 megahertz. How? When there is an suppressed emotions. You might be seeing mostly women get suffered with thyroid. Why? Because their creativity is suppressed mostly after the marriage. They want to do a lot of things, but because of taking care of the family, they are not able to, and neither they are encouraged to. And that's where all that suppressed emotions and unexpressed feelings causes problems in our body. Now, understanding how does a radio channel works. Suppose I have put a song in the radio channel and I don't like it. What do? I change the channel. When I asked this in one of my sessions, somebody told me that I switch off the radio. No, we will not switch off the radio. It's like if I'm not liking my life, if I'm not liking how much bank balance I have today, if I'm not liking my BP, sugar, cholesterol, the diseases in my body, if I'm not liking how my husband is behaving to me, if I'm not liking my family members, the way they behave to me, what should I do? I will not end my life. I will change the channel. As when I don't like the song, I change the channel. I change the channel of my life. Is it easy? It is. It was already done by, if you go to the Google and type Dr. Rife. Rife machine was introduced in 1934. Dr. Rife was a medical doctor and he was interested in bioelectrical signals. He was heading a US medical department. In US, he was heading a medical department and he invented with a Rife machine. Now, what does this machine do? The patient has to hold the copper electrode and the frequency used to pass into the patient, and the intensity was regulated with the help of regulators invented by him. He actually wanted to prove that this machine can be used to all the pains in the world. Now, what he did, he enrolled 16 cancer patients and he used frequencies on them. What happened? All the 16 patients was cured. He should be given a Nobel Prize in 1934. But no, US federal government came out with a law that only allopathy would be used to treat patients. Any alternative therapies would be barred and would be taken serious legal actions. But imagine, we are not in 1934. With the invention of Dr. Rife, there was a spark in the scientific industry which was created. There were a lot of scientists started working on it, started researching on it, and there came so many books which was written on how the vibration, the frequency, the body electric can actually create a transformation into the human body. Book called Resonance Effect, Frequency Specific Microcurrent in Pain Management, Electric Body, Electric Health. You can go through these books. And one of the book, which is known as Second Path, if you see on the top left corner, the owner and the writer of this book, author is Marcus Mike. Marcus Mike is the gentleman whom we are going to talk about, the inventor and the complete founder of quantum science technology. Marcus has a very fascinating story. At the age of 20, he was so much interested in quantum physics. He was learning quantum science in the university in Germany. He had a lot of unanswered questions. He was craving to get the answers for it. And that's where he came to India. He decided to come to India, spend time in Himalayas, Rishikesh. After 12 long years in India, getting all his answers in quantum science, eventually turned out to be a brahmachari, a monk, and also started studying astrology. He turned out to be a professor in Mayapur University in Calcutta. And from there, he actually he went back to Germany, got mentored by Burkhard Heim. If you Google Burkhard Heim, he's one of the field theory scientists. If any one of you have done electrical engineering, you would have a subject in engineering called field theory scientist. Field theory. Now, he was very much instrumental. Burkhard Heim was very much instrumental in giving the equations for gravity. Burkhard Heim came out with the equations to tap into the beyond time up to the 8th dimension. How many of you remember in physics, in 5th standard, we would have mugged up. Just to give the exam, we would have mugged up. Nobody would have understood. Actually, I didn't understand. Right now, when I'm going through this concept, I remember, oh my God, I studied this in 5th standard. There is X, Y, Z, the 3-dimensional world. Now, beyond the 3-dimensional world is the 4th dimension, which is the time dimension. In the 3-dimensional world, it is space and time. What do you mean by space and time? That if I do this, I get this. You put a space, you put a time to it. 4th dimension is a time dimension. Beyond time, what happens? There is no space and time. It happens. How it happens? It works with energy. It works with frequency. And that's what Burkhard Heim mentored Marcus Mike, giving him the equation how to tap into beyond time, beyond space. And that's where we don't understand how it is happening, but it is happening because we are connecting with the cosmic energies. Now, Marcus got very much excited with the knowledge he was receiving by quantum science knowledge, and as well as Burkhard Heim, his mentor, gave him. He wanted to come out with a technology, a service, a product wherein he can give it out to the world. He wanted to help people to come out of the pain, to come out of the struggles. No more shuttling between home and hospital, sitting inside the house, and how you can alter the frequency and get those joy, prosperity, and abundance. What he did, he actually spoke his idea with Christian Harper, one of his student in astrology. Christian Harper happened to be both a Krishna devotees, and he also happened to be one of the richest billionaire in Europe, in Germany. Now, being a monk, you can understand a brahmachari doesn't know how to do business. And that's where he required Christian Harper's help. Christian Harper was very much interested in gastronomy. He has a vegan chain restaurant and also a founder of Super Hedge Fund, where he funds the startup around $1.6 billion. Both of them came together. Christian Harper became the co-founder by actually helping Marcus by donating 100 million euros for his idea to come out into this world. Today, he is not just the co-founder of the company, but also the CEO of the company as well. Both of them got together and started the company in Berlin, in Germany, and the development center in Kaslin Castle, where Marcus stays. The company today has gone across more than $500,000 as a turnaround. Now, what is it that Marcus and Christian Harper invented? I'm just taking my photograph here and there so that you're not getting disturbed. Now, what you are seeing on my screen, the two white color boxes, is the first machine, is the first technology which Marcus invented. It's known as time waver. Time waver, something which can go tap into beyond time and beyond the fourth dimension up to the eighth dimension. And that is the reason the name has been given time waver. Now, the person who is sitting behind the Sony Vaio laptop, he's a doctor, he's an expert. The patient who is sitting on the bean bag, she's holding the copper electrode. What exactly is happening here? Through the time waver machine is able to tap into the bioenergetic field of this lady, of this human being, and identify that which organs have cells which are vibrating in a low frequency. And once that report comes in, what does the doctor do? Doctor gives the frequencies to harmonize the cells, to flush out the toxins, to see where is the nutritional deficiency and give the digital nutrition. Understand where is the karmic connections which is actually causing the energetic blockages. And with all those reports coming out, the doctor will help through frequency therapy just to harmonize the body, your emotional, mental, spiritual body. And that's where the person comes out of the challenges, what they are going through. Time waver machine was introduced in 2006, and it was only given to expert doctors and who is a medical MBBS doctors, not to a layman like me and you. We can also, it was costing around 50 lakhs to 1 crore. Now, how easy was it for a middle class to get the therapies? Every therapy, each therapy was around 15,000 to 25,000. And trust me, even with this pricing, today you have a waiting period of 6 months to 1 year to get a therapy. It is so profound. It became the Rolls Royce in the frequency therapy industry. It went across to 57 countries. More than 7 crore people got healed. And from 2006 to 2019, these 7 crore people who got healed, all the data was available in the server. But after all this advancement, it was going so good, but still, Marcus, being a monk, he was not very happy with his invention. Why? Because Marcus wanted this technology to go across every family, every house, irrespective of whether they are rich or poor. And that's where Marcus wanted to rationalize the price. To rationalize the price, what he did, he got an idea from Steve Jobs. As Steve Jobs came out with Harvard Mark, if you remember, when this huge machine computers came up, more than the size of the house today, it was $200,000 when it came in. What happened next? Steve Jobs actually created a paradigm shift. Then came the desktop, which was few $1,000s, and that's what Marcus did. Today we have mobile computers in our hand today, every pocket today. Marcus actually converted the big time waver machine into the small size called HEALY. The price came down 20 times, and also today it has become so reasonable that you don't have to be a doctor, an MBBS doctor, to use this. You just need a smartphone and you would be able to actually connect with the frequencies which gets generated through time waver. Now, why I'm saying through time waver? What did Marcus do? Marcus worked with the software engineers, quantum scientists. From 2006 to 2019, as I told you, 7 crore people got healed. 9 million frequencies was saved in the server in Germany, secured servers. Now, what Marcus did, he came out with computer algorithms with the help of engineers. And these algorithms supporting artificial intelligence over the cloud with the help of smartphone, over connecting with the Bluetooth. It connects with the app in a phone. And what does it do? It has an ability that it can connect to a human being, identify the imbalances, and based on the frequency which the human being needs, it will connect to 9 million frequency, which the doctors have worked on. So actually, thanks to all the doctors, because today their brain is captured in Healy. That's why we say a doctor in your pocket. Now, what exactly is Healy? We'll discuss more in detail. Watch this video and we are going to come back on this.
Healy is new, Healy is different, and Healy is extremely versatile. This little game changer is the first smartphone-controlled wearable that provides easy support in all important areas of your life with the use of frequencies. Healy analyzes the frequencies you need right now. Then the smart wearable applies subtle currents and individualized frequencies to your body via its electrodes. It strengthens your balance and harmonizes imbalances. Fitness, holistic health, and inner and outer beauty. Healy, over 120 programs to provide energetical support for you, for your body, and for your cells. Every single cell in our body is a small power plant that constantly produces energy. One thing is particularly important for this, the natural cell membrane voltage. And this is where the Healy comes in. With Nuno Nina's Gold Cycle programs that focus on rebalancing your cells. Healy also has suitable programs for many other applications on board. Programs supporting relaxation if you have a headache or back pain, but also for learning, concentration, or exams. Healy even offers support for mental balance, sleep, and stress. The Healy Beauty programs are supposed to support your inner and outer beauty energetically. In sports, the Healy is meant to promote performance, muscles, and regeneration. At home or on the go, in your leisure time or at work. In our opinion, health begins with good balance in all areas of life. This is what Healy stands for. State-of-the-art wearable technology, made in Germany to the highest standards. Based on use by 2,000 practitioners worldwide, who have seen as many as 500,000 patients. Healy, for me, and for you, and for everyone.
Awesome. Exactly. It's for everyone. One Healy, I can use it for my husband, for my daughter, for my pets, for my plants, for my Vastu correction, for any kind of black magic, evil eye, any corner of my house, any negative energy, each and every cell of my body, my liver, my gallbladder, my stomach, my spleen, pancreas. Can you imagine? There is a program for everything, and it literally harmonizes every part of the body. Not just every part of the body, but my environment as well. I don't want to talk much because I want to jump into the demo part where we will show you the live demo. How does it work? So right now, while I'm talking to you and I'm actually taking this presentation, what is the program right now I'm seeing? Can you see the bracelet in my hand? There are 3 ways where we take these frequency. One is wearing the bracelet, as you can see on the screen as well. Today morning, when I analyzed my body, there is backside, there is a quantum sensor which senses the human body. So when I'm holding in my hand, it is reading my mind, what level of thoughts I have, whether it is positive, negative, fearful, insecurities. It will also identify each and every organ of my body, whether my cells are working 100%. If they are not, what is the reason? Is there a toxins accumulated? Is there a nutritional deficiency? Or is there a regeneration required? It will identify the reason, and not just identification, but also giving frequencies to heal and come out of that problem. The 3 way it works. So today morning, when I analyzed my body, it came Kapha, Pitta, Vata doshas. So one of them was Pitta dosha, and I got that highlighted. So right now, while I'm taking presentation, can you imagine how beautiful it is that my body is getting harmonized without even worrying? I just, with a click of a button, I am doing my work and Healy is doing its work. Morning till evening, we are taking care of others. Let something take care of you. Let this genie enter your life and take care of you. Now, there is something known as the ear clip. Now, ear clips, you can just put it in your ears, as on the screen, can you see? And this is something from your neck to your head. Any kind of issues, migraine, headache, brain issues, problems, spondylitis, back pain, anything, this area, throat pain, just try it out. You will be amazed the kind of changes you will see. There is something known as adhesive electrode. Any kind of pain you have, if suppose you have a pain in your hand, then you just stick this adhesive electrode, and the other end where I've connected to Healy through in my bracelet, you have to remove it and put it on these adhesive electrode and run the pain programs. Can you imagine? We have something on the pain programs, like the frequency. You don't have to take a Dolo tablet and have so much of side effects. Now, try this out. I am not saying go with my words. Experience it. You will be amazed. Without even entering anything in your body, you can come out of the pain, and so easily. Now, all this, what I'm talking about, it's completely science-based, working in collaboration with doctors and practitioners. There is nothing like overnight somebody sitting in Mandya or somebody sitting in China came out with this technology. This technology is completely developed, invented, manufactured in Germany. And if you understand the kind of quality and performance and the precision which Germany goes through, it's not very easy. Every process, even the process of artificial intelligence connecting to the server of 9 million frequency is patented. The quantum sensor at the back of Healy is patented. Now, we have got 8 patents available. In Europe, it has been called it out as a class 2 medical device. In 28 countries in Europe, it is being used as a medical equipment. Now, can you just imagine something in India? It has been called out as a wellness and a holistic device. It has gone across to 57 countries. 57 governments have approved it. FDA has cleared it. Now, this is not going on from last 1 or 2 days. It is going on from last 20 plus years. It's high time to have a hand onto it and to experience it. Now, how does it work? I'm going to cover it very fast because I want you to see the real picture. I'm excited for that. Now, how does the body work? The body works, we have around 70 trillion cells in our body. Tissues and organs made up of 70 trillion cells, each and every cell made up of molecules. What are they made up of? Atoms, subatomic particles. Finally, what is the root, the quanta level in our body? Energy, frequency, and vibration. Now, what are this made up of? It is made up of information field. What is this coming from? We say in quantum science, information field. The information of our unit of the universe is stored in the information field. The soul carries the information of these janma. Now, we are tapping into the information field of a human being. Can you just imagine how powerful this technology is? I will cover this quickly in 2 minutes. Every body has a subtle energy flowing through it. Now, what do you mean by subtle energy? There is a prana flow. In Ayurveda, we call it the prana flowing through the nadis. In Chinese, we call it the chi energy flowing through the meridians. Now, prana is the most vital component of our existence. Any disruption in the prana can actually take our life away. When we are dead, our prana is dead. Like a human being has a unique fingerprint, likewise, human being has a unique prana. Now, what is the significance of prana in a human body? It aligns the mind, body, and soul. What does that mean? It means what we are speaking, what we are thinking, what we are speaking, and what our soul is craving for is aligned. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि we are thinking something else, we are speaking something else, and our soul is craving for something else. And that's where problem arises. That's where we attract health challenges. We attract the relationship challenges. We attract disharmony in relationship. Now, why? What is the reason that the energy there is a disbalance in the prana flow? Everything gets started from our emotions. Even in our DNA, our parental karma, our ancestors' wound, as I told you, the residue of any kind of deep trauma which we have gone through in our childhood, it's still lying there in our emotional body. So I don't know how many of you are aware, the emotion of fear causes an impact in your kidney. The emotion of anger causes an impact in your lungs. If there is a lack of joy, it actually causes heart attack. The person can be fulfilling all the wishes and desires of the family, especially the father of the house, but he is not living his life what gives joy to him, and that's where heart attack happens. Long-term suppressed emotions, sadness, grief causes an impact in your lungs. Now, stress in our body, long-term stress of any kind, it causes an impact in spleen, pancreas. Now, with all this disharmony in the emotions, what happens? It causes a disruption in the prana flow. And when the prana flow gets impacted, what happens? In turn, it creates an impact at a cell level. The cell will start vibrating in a lower frequency. How does Healy help here? Healy helps at 3 levels. First, it helps to correct the emotions of a human being. How? By having Bach flower therapy. There is a very intense program called emotional baggage removal named as Bach flower therapy. Homeopathy psyche, Australian bush flower, I Ching, sizzler salt. All these programs helps us to remove the emotional baggages which we are carrying in our body. I am going to show you how does it work. Very soon, my partner Ashwini will show you how does this work and how does the human can actually correct the emotional disbalances. Also, the second point, how does Healy help with the prana flow? Healy helps to do a remote therapy to your liver, to your spleen, pancreas, to each and every problems of your life can be remotely addressed by capturing the prana energy. We are going to show you live right now. The third level, how Healy helps. Healy helps at a cell level using microcurrent. What I am doing right now using microcurrent is the third level, how Healy helps for the physical body. Microcurrents have been used from hundreds of years. Doctors have been using microcurrents, and there are so many scientific journals which has been written that how microcurrents are so much beneficial, and it is helping in the increase of the amino acid transport by 40%. It's quite profound. If somebody understands the technicalities of the body, even I don't, but if you speak to a doctor and any kind of person, what does amino acid do in our body? It helps to increase the protein synthesis by 70%. It's creating physical life. Protein synthesis is a process where proteins are formed. It is a central blueprint in our DNA. Don't understand any of these technical terms, but simple to understand. We need energy morning till evening. From where the energy comes from? Energy comes from the mitochondria of our cell, where the ATP is produced. ATP actually raises up to 500%. And this adenosine triphosphate is written over there. I have read it from here and it's not in my mind. But what is in my mind? I get 500% my energy shoots up when I use Healy. Understand to that level. We are going to show you how does it work. Now, I'm going to end my session here. We will come back after watching the Healy programs. How does it work? Because there are lots to cover. And as I told you, Healy is a pain. In Healy is a medical device. In Europe, it has been called out as a treatment of pain in chronic pain, fibromyalgia, skeletal pain, migraine, also as a supportive treatment in mental illness such as depression, anxiety related sleep disorder. It's quite unfortunate that medical industry only understands this. There is lots more Healy can do. Healy is FDA cleared, and we have a group called Frequency Experience Group, where all the doctors, quantum scientists, people like you and me who are using Healy, more than 70,000 members are available today. Go and check over here the kind of experiences people are sharing. I have taken few slides from Frequency Experience Group. This personality, she is actually calling it out. Every woman goes through cramps every month, and it is painful cramps, back pain. We don't feel like doing anything, mood swings, drained of energy, bedridden, and sometimes woman has to take tablets with so much of side effect. Now she is Clara calling it out. She was facing the same problem, but when she started using Healy, the Gold Cycle, it's a detox program. It's the first simple program where it clears all the toxins, harmful toxins from the body. Purification, care, balance, being. You are going to hear more from Ashwini on this and how Healy has helped her just using it 2 months to come out of the pain what she was going through, and the complete medication stopped. Can you imagine what level of transformation people are going through? Now, this is something where she is talking about depression. Before and after, she has taken a picture, and how beautifully, after using of 2 months, depression, where there's an antidepressant tablet, where people gain weight. We have so much of side effects on antidepressant tablet. That's where Healy was able to resolve it just by detox. Can you imagine? A detox can do so much. Migraine, chronic migraine, anti-seizure medication every day. We have a migraine frequency. And can you see in that central box, migraine frequency? And just by using this, she's feeling so good. She has come out of all the kind of medication. I was not aware that stress causes a chronic stress fracture. You can get a fracture in your back just with stress in your body. And being a mother, she used to say that I can't lift my baby, I can't even bend down to brush my teeth. So much of pain in the back, just by using Healy. And today she calls it out that she sleeps like a baby, run around with my 4-year-old, and haven't seen doctor from ages. Skin infection, skin problems, cirrhosis, any kind of eczema. We have thousands of testimonials on it. I have lack of time to go through everything. Connect with the person who has invited you. They are going to send you lot of testimonies which the problem based on what you are going through. Ask them what is it relevant to you, and ask. There are thousands of people who have already used it, and that's what creates the belief. When somebody can use it and tell us that this works, and it gives us so much of belief and trust. So I'm going to end my screen here, and I'm going to invite my beautiful business partner. And I could tell you it's so much of support from her end that when I started this business, she was the first person who collaborated with me. And today, every phase of my life, she is with me, standing strong. She has started her business in HR, running beautifully, successfully from last 10 years. And last 2.5 years, became an expert in quantum science, and also leading as a vice president from the Quantum Healing Academy from India. Oh, let's welcome Ashwani MS, and I'm going to stop my screen and let Ashwani take over. Okay, where are you, sweetheart? I'm going to spotlight you.
Happy morning. Thank you so much, Lina ma'am, for such a wonderful session, for such an informative session. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for mentoring me and guiding me always in each step of my life. It's been so proud and very happy moment to say that we have 8 years of association together. So thank you so much. It means a lot, you being part of my life. Thank you so much. So yes, just now we came to know about the complete technical aspect about the Healy device, Healy technology. Now it's time to understand the complete practical aspect, how Healy can benefit us, how Healy can add value to us. How many of you are very curious here to understand practical aspect of Healy device? Like you can know about your aura, what chakras, the deepest emotions hidden behind the aura. How can you know about it? How many of you curious here to understand? Message me one in the chat so that it will give me energy to continue the further session. Oh, I'm getting a lot of messages. Oh, thank you so much. Deepshika is saying, and Usha ma'am is saying, so many people are messaging. Wonderful, wonderful. So nice, so nice. Lovely crowd we are having today. Very energetic crowd we are having in morning 11 timing. Sounds amazing. Perfect. We'll right away jump into the demo session. We'll right away understand how Healy can help us analyze our own aura and emotions behind it. So, Lina ma'am, can you just make my mobile version co-host so that I can share the screen?
Sure, dear.
Yeah. Healy has totally 3 different applications. One application is particularly called as Pink App, which will help us in taking the programs individually with electrons. And second app is called Blue App, which is very much helpful for doing the analysis option of it. So I'm just going to share my screen right away, and I'll take you across each aspect of it. So this is called 3 applications. White app is purely for taking individual ailment-based programs. Say, for example, depression, thyroid, diabetes, anxiety, sleeping disorders, relationship challenges. Any kind of white app is something which is specific ailment-based. So we shall look into the blue app right now. So this is called Blue App. We have Healy device with us. We just need to on the Healy device. So, and right now I'm going to choose a profile for doing the aura analysis. So what is the process of creating the profile? We can give healing for everything. We can, because everything is energy. You and me is connected. It's because of energy, right? We can give healing for person, animal, plants, organization, building. One of my teammate was sharing with me. I took the photo of my house and I started giving healing for it. I could see my mother and my wife. They all started having dinner together at the same time. This was never the scenario at our home. Means house energy got changed. Vehicle also we can give healing. Everything can be healed. Right now, I'll choose it as a person, and there is a process of creating the profile. Like we need to give the first name and last name of the person. And once this is done, we need to take the photo. Only very close by photo till the neck region only photo is required. So I'll just click on choose camera now. And yes, I'm just taking the photo of my own. Right. So this is the photo. Then click on yes. Only till neck region is required without goggles with a light color background. Right. Once the photo part is completed, click on next. It will ask you for record vibration. Each person's fingerprint is different. Same way, each person's body vibration is different. Right. Now I'll click on record vibration. It will ask you for connect device. So Bluetooth has to be on. Click on connect, search for device. It will search out the device. Each device is a unique number. Right now it is getting connected. So once the connection part is done, it will record the vibration. While recording the vibration, you need to sit silent. Actually, you have to be in a grateful mode. Currently, since I'm giving the demo, I'll be talking. Doesn't mean that you will be talking, right? So click on OK. Fine. So there may be some technical this one. Okay, this is the profile creation. I'll just click on the profile, this one. We need to click on record vibration and choose the photo, date of birth, details, everything. Once this details is completed, then you need to choose the profile. Before you analyze anybody, you need to take a permission from the person to analyze it. Since I've already taken some permission from this person to analyze it, I'll just click on analysis, go to aura and click on new aura analysis. Right now, I'm just jumping directly to aura analysis because due to the time constraint, we will have only aura analysis as the program right now today. Click on continue. It is right now analyzing this specific person's aura. If we look at the aura of this person, it will literally show where the blockages are. See, total energy always has to be more than 80. And anything in chakras, it always has to be more than 80. That then it is something called as it is healthy. Yeah, crown chakra, if we look at it, is showing 90%, and third eye, it is showing 89%. And chaos, wherever you see this chaos rigor, there are some misalignment. It is not in proper alignment state, right? And it needs alignment, it needs cleansing. Some deep unhealed emotions are there in this specific chakras, wherever you see chaos and rigor, right? Root chakra is too good, 95%. And you know very well, when crown is blocked, the receiving energies will become less. When third eye chakra is blocked, you won't be able to, what you think, you won't be able to express it. What you feel, you won't be able to think on that. There is something mismatch comes up. Throat is something you cannot express. And when heart is something, we receive love at the same intensity and we give the love at same intensity. And solar plex is something takes care of our confidence level, and sacral is something takes care of our relationship, harmony at home, how you are with the people, how you are in your relationship in every aspect of your life. Root is something attracting the abundance, attracting the money, feeling secured in our life. All this comes up in this specific area. Now we shall go in depth of this analysis. I'll just click on continue and I'll click on start analysis. As a healer, what you, me and me can do is we can mirror the person's energies and think for that person, and we can analyze the report. And trust me, in the Zoom also, we can analyze you and connect with the person who has invited you. They can literally help you to get your analysis done. You can have a feel and experience of your own aura, your own emotions. I'll just click on start analysis now. So I'm just thinking for this person right away. Something good for this person, right? And once the analysis part is completed, you could see the present state. Present state is something, the emotions where the person is currently undergoing. And you could see the percentages like 93%, 6, LM, double X, Roman number. What does this mean? This means whether this emotion has been picked up from ancestors' wound or inner child healing or parental karma or wrong thinking pattern, where this has come from. It will address that specific root cause. The currently the person is, it's showing as the person feels compelled to subordinate their own personality to authorities, therefore they are not free to be what they want to be. So this is the current mindset the person is going on. This energy is there in aura. Remember, even before depression enters our physical body, it first enters our energy body, it first enters our spiritual body. So this is something which is addressing this aspect of it. And to correct it, what Healy does, Healy will heal you with affirmations. If we look at the desired state, I am my own master and at my equal footing with my counterparts. I am free to be the way I want to be. So this is the kind of affirmation Healy will give to correct it. That is so deep. This analysis goes so deep, so deep. When a person reads their aura analysis, they literally say that, how come my deepest hidden emotions, which I have not shared it to anybody, it is showing here? How come? It speaks about all the aspect of your life. Your aura is filled with all aspects of your life, your finance, your thinking, your love life, your sexual life, everything. It comes up because we become human being of everything, right? We are not only one part of our life is not called as a life. All the aspects of our life becomes complete. So aura speaks about all the aspects of your life. The person suffers from repressing fears in his life issues. They don't know why, but they have a deep seated fear to the point of panic attacks. It is there in the person's aura. Can you see how deep Healy goes? Even the fear also Healy will trace it out. Yeah. And this is something 90%. 3 is something which is already the person is working on to come out of it. And LLM is something, this baggage has come from spiritual aspect. Like this, each one goes. One of the person I was doing analysis, and it literally appeared in the analysis that mother played a role of father in the person's life. And the moment the person read, he says that yes, I had lost my father when I was young. My mother took the responsibility of taking me up, right? Aura goes that deep, means that's the deepest hurt in the person's heart which needs to be healed. Unless until that emotion is not healed, physical body will have impact of that specific emotion, right? Healing goes very, very deep, very, very deep. The person can perceive emotions more often and no longer needs to control them, right? This is sacral chakra emotion. So everything here, what we can do is, you don't have to worry. Whatever it could be, whatever the report has come up, just click on vibrate and choose the duration. These are called as Tesla numbers, 38 seconds and 12 minutes, 27 minutes. According to Healy Academy, according to a lot of expertise, a lot of scientists, all this innovation, we go for 38 seconds and click on start. This specific is healing is going to his aura, is going to his subtle body, and it is cleansing it. Once a person starts using it, literally their emotions become better, and these thought pattern from person's life starts going off. Once you wake up in the morning, you start feeling very fresh. You attract better people, you attract better person in your life, and better business opportunities in your life. Lot of changes a person starts seeing. In fact, we have a lot of testimonies where people, a mother and daughter, they both of them were not talking together, and and it was literally appearing in aura analysis. Person feels deeply hurted from mother, like the person started using Healy program aura analysis. Now the mother and daughter are united. They have a conversation together. It's such a beautiful feeling altogether to have a family. What is the price we can pay to have a emotional balance at home, to have better relationships at home? Is there any price we can pay? I don't think so. There's any price we can pay. Healing goes so deep, so deep. This healing is currently going to the person and doing the required cleansing, right? Due to time constraint, I'll just click on back and I'll show you a couple more programs, one or two, just as an explanation, so that you will understand how deep healing can help us. This is something Alaskan gemstone. We all aware of what is the power of gemstone can do for our life, right? So here the Alaskan gemstone is something right now at your mood level, however you are. It will analyze and it will tell you which gemstone frequency you need, and that specific gemstone frequency you can take, right? And backflow remedies. There are a lot of backflow therapists are there, and here it is something you can take backflow in the form of frequencies. Literally reads or speaks about your emotions. It goes so deep. And courage is something, which aspect of your life needs courage, which aspect of your life courage is missing. It will identify those aspects and gives healing for those aspects. I've heard couples saying to me, I've never seen my wife this openly talking to me. From the time she started using Healy, I could see she comes and speaks out openly to me. I could see different version in her, right? She was never this expressive. That's what Courage program can do for us. So creative homeopathy psyche program. You go to homeopathy doctor, they give you tablets and pills, right? But here you get frequencies of same homeopathy. You take a dolo, in dolo you get side effects also, you get benefit part also. But here benefit has been taken up in the form of frequency, and you get in the form of frequency creative homeopathy programs, right? Aichin is completely for relationship healing. Sizzler salt, it's again one more very beautiful program. If I speak about the demo, it will go for another 2 more hours. It is that deep the technology is. Just I'm showing you a glimpse of it. This is about aura, and even to speak even more, we can do body level analysis of the person. Like for example, all lily programs, hormone programs, chakra programs, digital nutrition programs. What is where it is missing, what is the health challenge. It can go that deep and cleanse it as well. It's very deep, very deep. Healy is the biggest ocean. I've not even shown you 1% of it, because Healy has 229 programs for body, mind and soul alignment, right? So with this I'll just complete this very quick short. How many of you believe in manifestation? Manifestation is something very biggest process in our life, right? And we all want to manifest a beautiful life. Here it is a coach analysis. Here you can put an affirmation, and affirmation can be affirmation. You know the power of affirmation very well. Affirmation can be given frequencies for affirmation. It can we can give energy for affirmation and manifest our goals even faster. There are a lot of testimonies related to coach analysis also. People were able to come out the property related challenges. People were able to come out relationship challenges. People were able to manifest their goals, their business goals also. Somebody's cat was missing. They wrote an affirmation stating that my cat is missing. My cat is healthy and fine and safe home back, something like that. So somebody in the apartment, people called them and said, I found your cat near swimming pool. How beautiful you find it. Each aspect of your life you can use coach analysis. Very beautiful program. We will have a detailed demo sometime probably, or you can connect with the person who has invited you. Now we shall have a next level of session. Now you may be thinking, what may be the price of this technology? How can we go ahead with it, right? So we have our amazing person coming up and taking up, and she's my mentor, my coach, and she is a senior vice president in Healy. She has
Ashwini, we can't hear you.
just hand over session to her. Yes, Lina ma'am, over to you.
Thank you. You have to stop sharing.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for that wonderful session. And I'm just going to remove the spotlight, and I'm going to keep myself as a spotlight and share my screen. Another 2 minutes, I'll just show you how you can own this powerful device in your house. It's beautiful blessing. It's like a genie today in everyone's life. And we are going to continue from here where we left. And okay, so we have programs for internet addiction, we have programs for nutrition, and I just jump into, even we have programs for pets. So for animals, we have programs in this. Ashwini showed you the aura report. This is a small video which I'm going to skip now and come out into the pricing. We have also given to Sri Ravi Shankar Guruji in the ashram in Bangalore, and Healy corporate office is in Bangalore. So Sachin Gupta and Ram sir, he is academy head, and we went and gifted. We showed him how Healy has the power to scan through the chakras and analyze it. Gurudev was literally so much fascinated towards it. Oh my God, what we do through Kriyas is now working through technology. Now we have given to ministers, and there is a tribal minister, one of the executive went and gave it to him. Now let's understand how to own this. We have 5 versions of it, 5 models of it. It starts from 41,000 to goes across through 3,29,000. The best part is right now there is a 30% off going on. So nothing to worry. All of you guys are getting a bonus offer of 30% off. And also it is less than the price of the money which you pay in your insurance. I mean, we literally pay, if 1 year you are paying 15,000, 20,000 for insurance. Imagine if 4 people inside the house, how much money are you paying for next 10 years? I am talking about something for lifetime. For lifetime. If you are just starting with even 41,000, each and every person inside your house is using it. What is it that you are losing? I just understand the models behind it. Each and every version has a frequency package. So 41,000 has only 10 Healy program, the frequency programs, which includes detox and some of the pain programs. Healy Holistic has again 61 Healy frequencies, the quantum healing frequencies, and you can see the names written down. What are those upper module, the subject names? So like bioenergetic harmony 1, harmony 2, mental balance, they have a set of frequencies underneath. So mental balance will have overexertion, stress, procrastination, all that related frequencies. Bioenergetic harmony will have gastrointestinal, nervous system issues, eyes harmony. Likewise, every subject will have different problems addressed through frequencies. Now, if you see the what Ashwini had shown starts from Healy Resonance and above. So Healy Resonance have 98 Healy programs. Healy Resonance Plus have 124 Healy programs, and Healy Professional has more than 229 programs today. What is the difference between the top 3? The top 3 has 30% off right now this month, and also the analysis part where you can scan your body starts from Healy Resonance. So Healy Resonance, you get, what is it that you are not getting? You are not getting aura analysis. You are not getting coach analysis. Right now, what we have seen, Ashwini showing you your karmic depths, your parental karma. Now, all that, it's not coming up in the Healy Resonance. Apart from that, all body related programs you are getting. Healy Resonance Plus, you get body and the mind related programs. So the mind plays a bigger role. Imagine the frequencies can help you to create new neuro paths in your mind so that you think differently. The same situation, the same problem, now your perspective will change. So Resonance Plus will have aura, will have coach, and then we have professional. Now, what is it that you get in professional? You get cell regeneration program, the stem cell shots. If you go to a doctor and ask for stem cell shots, each injection costs around 50 lakhs to 50,000 to 1 lakh. And also you need to take every 6 months once. Imagine you are getting a frequency for lifelong. So cells to regenerate. And we have digital nutrition available in professional. We have black magic, evil eye, defense program, geopathy, any vastu correction in your house, all that is available in professional. Now, based on your pocket, you can decide which one to go with. Whichever you go with, you order today, taking the link from the person who has invited you. In 3 to 4 days or within 1 week, you get the product in your hand. The day you get it in your hand, from that day onwards, there is a 14 days of refund period. What does that mean? If you are not happy using 2 weeks, there is a trial period. Try it out. If you are not happy with it, get the money refunded. Because the ultimate aim, why we are doing what we are doing, is to help this community, the world, to raise the vibration. With that intention, company wants to support you. Now, anything happens in 2 years to the machine, it will be completely replaced. You don't have to pay for it. After 2 years, there would be a nominal cost of around 15,000 to 20,000. There are a lot of people who come back and ask, is there any side effect? The only side effect is you look much younger, you'll be more young, glowing, and you will have much more energy to drive through. Just kidding. You will see this effects for sure, but you need to drink water. If you don't drink water properly, 500 to 700 ml of water with the 3 hours of frequency which you are using for your physical body. So every hour, we actually say keep 1 liter of water bottle with you and finish 500 to 700 ml of water, because water is a carrier of frequency to each and every cell of the body. And also when it flushes out through urine and your motion. If you don't give water to your body, you will get little tiredness, you will get little headache, and that's the sign that the body is not hydrated enough. And we say, if you don't drink water, please stop using it. Now, there are few, you will be completely trained, hand-holded. There is a community who will take care of you, and there will be a buddy, power buddy assigned to you, taking care of you, teaching you morning, afternoon, evening, checking your reports, aligning with you. If there is any change required, your power buddy will help you. Yeah, so a complete care is being taken. It's a very powerful community. You can't even imagine. I don't know. There are other communities how well they are taking care, but I can assure you, if you are you are hearing any kind of thing from people saying that I am not getting support, it doesn't happen here. Okay, you get over support. Every day you get trainings, every day you'll get a call from your power buddy. Now, this is something Mac Healy. Mac Healy is basically for your environment. Healy is individualized, customized frequency, which takes care of your body. Every 10 seconds, it checks your thought level, it checks your cell level, and accordingly, it will customize and give frequency. Mac Healy, it is a fixed frequency. What does that mean? That means in your environment, the frequency of family harmony, relationship, conflict balance, your water. Before you drink water, just open the lid of the water bottle and run a water program. How many of you are aware there is a 10 minutes water program of detox, skin, liver, kidney? How many of you are aware that water carries memory? Whatever I am chanting and talking, the water is absorbing it. Even the conflict at your home, the water absorbs it. And when you drink it, you drink the harmful toxins. What we do, we change the molecular structure of the water and we energize the water. Now, all these programs are available here. Have a look into it. How does it work? Prosperity in my house, prosperity never stops. The prosperity program, I run it 24/7, and I've seen so much of changes I can't tell you. The life is a paradigm shift at every angle. I'm going to stop my screen and open it out for questions. Okay, great. Now, people who have come for the first time here, please raise your virtual hand and I'm going to unmute you. You can ask your questions and anything. There is nothing silly questions or there is nothing. I know the first time when you hear it, there is a lot of skepticism. There is a lot of doubt. There is a lot of worry. It works, it doesn't work. It's not easy to trust. Now ask me your questions and have an experience of it. There is a trial period. You are not going to lose anything. I only feel that something which has come in your life, it's not a coincidence. 2024 is ending, 2025 is starting. And anything which comes in your life, how do you notice it? You notice it as a magic, you notice it as a change, you notice it as a next level of growth, or you notice it with judgment. It depends upon you. Now, whichever way you notice it, the energy amplifies. Yeah. So, anybody has any questions, you can put down in the chat or Yeah, you have an free offer. So I'm getting in the chat that you have got a free offer. If you take Mac Healy, you get Resonance Plus free, Healy free. So Mac Healy is 2,91,000, Healy 2,52,000. You get it free. This is an offer which is coming up. Healy Professional, you get Mac Healy Classic for 3 months, Professional for 3 months, Classic for lifetime, and a coil free. So all these offers, get in touch with the person who has invited you, and you will be just uh, mind-boggling promotions are available. So get in touch with the person who has invited you, and they will be able to tell you all the promotions. If you have any questions, call it out, ask. I mean, there is no question of is something like not asking and staying with it. Remember, suppressed emotions create problem in your body. Talk it, take that emotions out. Okay, we can use it for a number of people. How many people? You can use it. So Deepika, you can use it for each and every family member in your house. You the same Healy. Suppose right now I am using a physical program, the Pitta program, Kapha Pitta Vata. Now, once my program is over, at this time I can't give it to my husband or daughter. Once my program is over, I will take it out, open the bracelet, and give it to my daughter or husband to use it. Okay, so next 1 hour they will use it. We don't allow more than 3 hours of physical program in one day. You are not supposed to take more than 3 hours of microcurrents. You will be guided how to heal your emotional body, how to heal your physical body, how to take care of your aura. We will tell you. Okay, there are protocols how to run it. It's not like just getting the Healy in your house and things change. No, you need to use it with a certain protocols. Yeah, Deepshika. Yeah, Deepshika is raising. Okay, I could see you in your video, Deepshika. You have to raise a virtual hand, sweetheart. Deepshika Girdar, I'll unmute you. Yes, darling. Shoot out. Oh, did I unmuted you or somebody else? Okay, once again. Deepshika S. Mehra. Okay, I unmuted somebody else. Okay.
Hi, Lena.
Hi, dear.
Sheila did an aura reading for me yesterday,
Mm-hmm.
and in my aura reading, it said that my third eye chakra, the present state was who am I, and the desired state is I understand the meaning of my life. So, like when you were explaining that for that, I think Ashwini was giving a demo. So
Hmm.
when you say that, when you give the vibration to the person, to
Hmm.
the aura, so that what really happens here? Like, does one understand the meaning of, this was just one of the examples because Sheila and me haven't gone through the other demos.
Mm-hmm.
So like,
Okay.
how does one thing happen?
So basically, we don't jump into the aura at the first end. First, we will work on the detox, that is known as gold. Then we work on the emotional baggages. And then we work on what are the top 5 attention areas in your body. While you go through this weekly once, if you do your aura, what does aura claims? The initial level of aura would be all superficial layers. It will be all superficial layers which we are living our life every day just to, make somebody happy. Or with our upbringing, it has been gone into a subconscious. So it is very, very important before you do aura in the first week, make sure you do a detox. You do a detox so that you can peel off the layers. You can peel off that layers which actually you are not. You are somebody else. And what you are, it's dead inside. It's dead inside because you have forgotten what is your deepest level of desire. And that's where how Healy comes into picture. So Healy will first work into your detox level, first 7 days. Then we get into an emotional baggage removal. Then we get into an aura. What does aura states? The aura analysis states what is your karmic depths? What is it that you are carrying from your parental karma? What is it that you are carrying from your ancestors' wound? Is there any residue of your childhood traumas which is still lying in your body? You feel you have overcome it, but some residue still stays. You will be surprised and shocked the way Healy will start peeling off the layers, peeling off the layers, peeling off the layers. Not the first report, but after second, third, fourth report, you will be shocked. Oh my God. I mean, this is something that I thought about it some time in my life and I forgot about it, and Healy brought it up. So that's how Healy works, the step-by-step process.
Okay. And also, thank you for that. That makes a lot of sense. Just wanted to know, like, आपने बताया that you have to do it. Any amount of people can use it because I have 5 members in my house. So another thing I wanted to know is like, say for my mother-in-law, she is 90 years old, right? So if she has, say, arthritis or something, so I know that you will talk about detox and this. So how does things work on the bone level?
उनके लिए हम we will capture the prana of us, and
Okay.
उनके हाथ में हीली रख के हम प्राणा को कैप्चर करेंगे, and then we will only give remote. हम उनको माइक्रो करंट नहीं देंगे फर्स्ट वीक में, ठीक है? So these wires are we will not give to, basically we advise, Healy Academy advises not to give to children below 12 years, pregnant ladies, people who have stents in their body or any metal in their body. We don't allow them to use microcurrent wires. There is remotely we can heal. How to do distant healing? By capturing the prana and then giving remote healing. कैसे करना है? We will train you. Up 90 years is more like a child, very sensitive. The body is very sensitive, so we don't want to take any risk. हम क्या करेंगे? हम उनका प्राणा कैप्चर करेंगे. We have done it to 80 years, 90 years old people. Miraculous effect. Their body is a very subtle body and they will be able to absorb the frequencies very fast. तो हम आपको सिखाएंगे उनको remotely कैसे detox करना है. So we will do 7 days of detox for them, but remotely. And also मतलब उनके हाथ में वायर कुछ नहीं रहेगा, ब्रेसलेट कुछ नहीं रहेगा. You will capture the prana. Healy and mobile will be with you, not with them. You will be operating with the click of a button and the frequencies will go to her. It doesn't matter where your grandma is, even if she is on the planet moon, her prana is captured with you in your Healy. You can still heal her. Okay, so that's how we work. My mother is in Kerala and she keeps telling me that she's not feeling well now and then. I analyze her body and give her the frequency. So my daughter, who is 17-year-old, I was in Dubai last week. She was in Bangalore and she called me up and told, Mama, I'm not getting my periods from last 3 months. And I analyzed her body and it came in sleep, because she's going through her exams, 12th standard. She's having a lack of sleep. And the first program which came was sleep. The second program came was matured woman. The third program which came was hormonal harmony. So I just gave a remote therapy to her and she's absolutely fine. She got the result. So I'm like, how Healy knows? I was like, every time when I analyze, my belief and trust goes stronger and stronger in Healy. जब आप analyze करते हो ना, तब आप shocked हो जाते हो, यार Healy को कैसे पता था कि उसका periods नहीं हो रहा है? And so it's like that level, Deepika. I mean, आप use करो, Deepshika, आप use करो. You will be amazed and shocked the way Healy will treat you.
Awesome. So yeah, I'll talk to Sheila about this. I don't want to waste everybody's time here, but
Sure.
yeah, that kind of I capture the essence of Healy. Thank you so
Yes,
much.
absolutely. Talk to Sheila. She's a top leader from Bangalore and also a meditator, healer. I have learned meditation from her. So connect with her. The right person, you are connected.
Thank you.
Awesome. So is there any other questions? There were a lot of questions on chats. I have Manohar Rao Vanguri. I have 3 stents too. Yeah, Manohar ji, you don't have to worry. We have certain protocols how to do remote healing. You don't. Also, I forgot to tell you, there is something known as coil. Even Deepshika, I forgot to tell you, if you're still here, there is something known as coil. Okay, so you can use it like there is a socket. Instead of putting the wires, I can put the coil. So now there is no wire required. I can put the coil inside and use it for the person, even for physical healing. Okay, so that is something which you can use it, Manohar, and there is multiple ways to use it. Usha is saying, thank you, Deepshika. We got the information too. Oh, awesome. Deepshika, you have helped other people as well by asking your question. That's what happens. That's why I tell you ask questions. There is somebody who is getting help. I underwent bypass surgery recently and I'm 84-year-old. Will it be safe to use? Absolutely. I feel this is Manohar ji again. Manohar ji, if you are still here, can I unmute you? Are you here? I'm not sure, Manohar ji, you are here. Raise your hand. Manohar ji, raise your hand. Okay. It's showing as I have asked. Okay, you can unmute yourself, Manohar ji.
Hello.
Yes, I can hear you.
Should I say good afternoon?
Yes, sure. Good afternoon. Happy
And
afternoon.
the issue is, because I underwent the bypass surgery at that late stage of my life, and my daughter being a doctor, whether she will permit me to, do this experimental setup on my body, I do not know. As far as the money segment is concerned, I am comfortable with price is no issue.
I totally understand.
I thanks to Mitesh Khatriji's the very first lesson 3 years back. In what I was earning as a passive income about 2 lakhs a month, it became 20 lakhs a month.
Awesome.
Thanks to Miteshji's
You
what
are
should I say advice.
congratulations
Mitesh
for being a
Khatri.
magician.
I'm a platinum member. I'm also a life member with Imran ji. Imran Beg, on graphology. I'm a master graphologist. I'm also with Pooja Shah on Reiki healing and all that.
So you know very well FTBA, feeling, thoughts, belief, action. And
Yeah. FTBA is, what should we say? Every day we hear that FTBA.
Yeah. Sir, whom are you connected with, sir?
I've gone through all the courses of Mitesh ji.
Sir, who has invited you here?
Srilata.
Srilata. Awesome. So, sir, Srilata is a leader in my team, and you can get in touch with me as well. Connect with Sheila or connect with me, and make your daughter connect with us. We will make her understand how there is nothing going inside the body. We will not put any wires on you. We will just put a coil, or we can do a remote healing. Let her experience it.
About 5 years back, I lost my wife to cancer. She was my support structure. She was everything for all of us. Unfortunately, after I lost her, I shut down the factory after a year. We were the leaders in the country and, exporting to US and all over the world. The high-tech products made in India and what Modi ji is saying, make in India, make for the world. I started in 1995.
Oh, superb. Awesome, sir. Just with the constraint of the time, sir, I need to get into another meeting. I would love to talk to you. I would love to spend time with you. Right now, sir, what
I understand. Thank you
sir,
for your time.
We can have a separate session with you, sir. I will check with Srilata and we can have a
And
separate session.
advise me which particular model is ideal for me.
Sir, if you ask me, the best model is going with professional because it has cell regeneration. What happens is with all the antibiotics and the medicines which has gone in, the cells are not able to perform 100%. There is sometimes the food what we are eating is also not getting absorbed by the cell because the cell has lost the ability to absorb the nutrients from the food. So the cell has to be regenerated. And that's where professional comes into picture. And sometimes the Vastu energy, our house energy, all the emotional trauma which you have gone through in your past life or in your right now, in this life itself, in your memories, all the memories of your wife, it sometimes creates some kind of energies inside the house which impacts the health. So we need to correct that. We need to correct the cells. We need to correct the environment. And step by step, you will see a total transformation.
Which is the model you advise me to
Professional,
buy?
sir. Professional.
Yeah. What is the cost like?
242, sir. 242. 2,42,000.
2,42,000.
And
less
you are
that.
also getting McHealy for 3 months, and you are also getting a coil free. So you will get a coil free, which is required for you. There is an offer going on. This is actually around 20,000, which you are getting it free, and this is around 2,91,000, which company is giving you for 3 months free to use it, check the experience, and then buy it.
So total investment will be 2,41,000 minus 30%.
No, sir. After it is 3,29,000. After 30% off, it comes to 2,42,000.
Okay, I understand. I will get in touch with Srilata ji and.
So this is one time, lifetime for the entire family, for your house. It's not like you have to pay for programs every year or after 5 years or after 10 years. It is for lifetime.
Okay, I understand.
Okay.
Thank you
Thank you so much
for your time.
Thank you so much. Okay. I feel we have extended the time, but is there any other question? Is there any other questions which you have? Anybody, or we are good enough to close the session? The Rupa is asking, gold cycle, should I repeat once again if I'm not feeling satisfied? Yes, sweetheart, please repeat. Please repeat it. And if all the percentage should come below 50%, till then repeat it. Okay, fantastic. So I feel there are no other questions. If anybody has their hands raised, no, there is no hands raised. So get in touch with the person who has invited you. Usha is saying something. Usha, what are you saying? No question, but feel like listening to you again and again. Oh, I love you. Oh, awesome. Usha, are you part of the team?
Sapna.
Okay. I feel, sirs. Okay, bye. Love you guys. Welcome to the community. I'll see you inside. Bye-bye. See ya.
Sorry, Sapna. Computer. Okay. I'm going.